Hadian ke jing penmana jong ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union ban sange penpoi umphñiang Shipor sya ka jala Meghalaya hadian ka jing yo jingtit basya pendik ke kali Assam na ka jing sya asyat yap jong sangut ke mensim hamukro ki bor pulit jong ke ribhoi mentakesngi ke lalek ban senran bat pahara ya ki kali kit umphñiang Naduh Jorabat khanang ban omdan kanu ka jing thon bat ka jing sya pendik ha kalenti bakiyan Kumbun cupen pau bagate ke union kala rai ban sange ekit umphñiang sya ke jala namar ke jings air halenti yo jia kanu ke jing sya pendik ha ke shim kabu kabala penlamwir ru ya ki ba hadian ke jing pen sapriang khubor hamsa ya bo omdon umphñiang shu ha ki petrol pump bat na kaliang jong kate union kala kren shai ru bakan peteng biang ya ke jing pen biang umphñiang tat hadu ba ka sarkar jala ka pentikna ban ai ya ke jing shan bat pahara ya ki ha ke kawan Nakaliang jong usanchet surekha ujon General Secretary jong ka Petroleum Dealer Association uloong bakadon ke jing sange khai umphñiang sya Meghalaya da ka Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union ka Shipor namar kadangdon ha ka jing yakhi ha Meghalaya hanre hadian balayo ya ka jing penthikna na ka sarkar Meghalaya baki pha pulit ban pahara yaki nakaliang jong ka association kala pha biang menta kasi kumba sabo tuli ki trok kit umphñiang ban penpoi sya Meghalaya rengkat ka jing pahara jong ki pulit Nakaliang jo ulapan pauru ya kajing songo ya ki pulit ke bala kloy ban ya trailang bat ukermen ba kikam baro ke long ke biya ben upan pauru ya kajing sokhia halo ke ei ke bala jaha mukro bat nakaliang jongki ki kermen ba keni kajing ekhi kan poino sa kajing sok bat kikam baro kin ya be ya renti kumbujulong
Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya. I'm the Joint General Secretary. What is happening here is that since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government that they'll be providing police escort, so today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed. And the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorabat. And they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Umphñiang and the SP sir from Petrol for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue. And we from our Dealers Association, we would like to also say that we stand together and it was a very sad event that we had to lose so many lives, and we hope and pray that peace and prosperity will continue within our state of Meghalaya. Thank you.